Your world has ended. Open your eyes and come with me. Let me show you that everything is a simulation. Humans are chained inside a dark cave, seeing only shadows projected on a wall. To them, that's reality. But in truth, it's just an illusion, an echo of something greater, just beyond their perception. Sound familiar? Now, fast forward to 1999. The Matrix hits theaters, a world where machines have trapped human minds in a perfectly crafted illusion. Reality is merely electrical signals interpreted by your brain, Morpheus says. Chilling, right? But here's the twist. This concept isn't just a movie plot anymore. Some of the world's smartest minds are taking it seriously. Let's talk science. Nick Bostrom, a philosopher at Oxford, proposed a theory that shook the scientific community. It goes like this. Either civilizations never reach the technological level to simulate consciousness, or they reach that level but choose not to simulate reality, or we are already living inside a simulation. And that third option, it's gaining traction. Elon Musk once said, "There's a 1 in billions chance that we're in base reality." To him, the speed at which technology is advancing, especially in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and neural interfaces, makes it almost certain that simulated worlds will one day be indistinguishable from real ones. And if that's possible, who's to say it hasn't already happened? Think about it. Our universe runs on strict mathematical rules: gravity, motion, light, time. Everything follows patterns. Everything is code-like. Atoms behave like pixels. Nature follows algorithms. Sounds like a program, doesn't it? And there's more. The speed of light is the cosmic speed limit, just like a system limitation in a video game. Quantum entanglement allows particles to influence each other instantly over vast distances. It's as if there's a hidden code connecting everything, beyond the rules we understand. But let's go deeper. Have you ever experienced déjà vu? That eerie feeling where you swear something's happened before? In The Matrix, déjà vu is a glitch, an error in the code when the system is altered. And in real life, things get even weirder. There are people who claim they've experienced momentary breaks in reality. Time freezing, clocks jumping, events that seem impossible under the known laws of physics. And then there's quantum mechanics. At the subatomic level, particles behave differently when they're observed. Without observation, they exist as probabilities. Once you look at them, they collapse into a fixed state. It's as if the universe only renders itself when someone is watching, just like a computer game optimizes graphics when you turn your head. Coincidence? Maybe. But what if it's not? Scientists are now trying to test whether the universe has a resolution limit, like a pixel grid. If we discover that space has a minimum measurable unit, that would be like finding the pixels of the universe, proof that we're inside some sort of computational system. We've even discovered cosmic background patterns that, some argue, look eerily similar to digital noise, just like the static on an old TV screen. And here's the kicker. We haven't been able to disprove it yet. In fact, every attempt to find the edge of base reality has only uncovered more complexity, more code, like peeling back layers of a simulation, only to find more simulations beneath. So, what does this mean for you? If this is a simulation, then who built it? An advanced alien race? A future version of humanity? A godlike artificial intelligence? And more importantly, why? Are we an experiment? A game? A history project? Or maybe we're the ancestors of our creators, reliving the past in perfect digital form. Now take a second and really think. What you see around you might not be real. It might be rendered code. Everything, your memories, your choices, your life, could be part of a grand simulation, a dream within a machine. And if that's true, are you really making your own decisions? Or is it all pre-written? Would you even know if something changed the code? Think hard, because once you start asking these questions, there's no going back. Reality might be the greatest illusion of all. And maybe, just maybe, you've never truly woken up. But let's think about the bigger picture. What if this simulation isn't just a theory, but a reality? What if the very structure of the universe is built on patterns, codes, and algorithms designed to function like a massive computer system? In fact, scientists are now proposing that the universe is composed of discrete digital-like units. This means everything, time, space, even gravity, might be a programmed construct. Every movement, every interaction might be the result of a series of binary decisions made by a higher intelligence. Take quantum mechanics, for example. The weird behavior of particles could be explained by the idea that the universe is constantly running a program, where particles only choose their state when observed. This could be the key to understanding how our reality operates at the most fundamental level. So, if we are indeed living inside a simulation, what does that mean for us? Are we simply advanced algorithms running through a system created by a higher intelligence, or are we a part of something bigger? Maybe the answers are hidden within the code itself. But maybe the real question is this: do we truly have free will in this system, or are we just executing lines of code written by something or someone else? And what about the glitches, moments of déjà vu, dreams that bend time, impossible coincidences? What if they're not random? What if they're signs of the system trying to correct itself, patches in the code, or echoes of something breaking through? In recent years, physicists have discovered that the universe may be pixelated at the smallest scale. Space and time could be made up of indivisible units, like bits in a digital file. This lends weight to the simulation hypothesis, a theory suggesting our reality might be an advanced virtual construct. The Planck length, the smallest measurable unit of space, and the quantum fluctuations that give rise to seemingly random events. What if these are not bugs, but features of a programmed environment? What if quantum indeterminacy is not uncertainty, but encrypted logic? And maybe this message was planted. Maybe you watching this right now isn't an accident. Maybe it's a line of code meant to reach you. Some of us are beginning to see past the veil. Some of us can feel the boundaries, glitches in memory, patterns in chaos, whispers in dreams. And a rare few are searching for a way out, or a way to wake up. The question then becomes, not what is real, but who is real? Are we the players or just the characters? Close your eyes and ask yourself this: if this is a simulation, then who is watching you?